Hello friends, Iceland is on the other side. Greetings from Iceland. Here we are embarking on our next trip number 4. Of course with a bike, you see my bike here. And we depart from the sea parking lot. This is the route which takes me to Meradalir. You see here the pole, that's where you start your journey if you wish to bike, and then you go up this road. This is the parking lot for Trail C. You walk up long ridge there to Big Ram, but we are going to bike with electrical bike, and in 7.5 kilometers, and we will be 2 kilometers from the volcano. And then I think I will hike 2 kilometers by a shortcut to skip altogether 12 kilometers. Biking, I will cut at 7.5 and walk 2 kilometers. That's a plan today. Because as I told, the last 3 kilometers are not so good, so it's better to walk 2 kilometers from the 7.5 kilometers point of the biking trail. So this is the plan for today, and see the ocean there. I parked my car down there. Here you have to pay. Like here it's 1,000 krona. So if I go 50 times, you see I'll have to pay 400 euros just for parking. So you have to be smart to find the ways to park if you come here often. All right, so we stopped our biking tour. I took water with me, everything, and we are ready to explore the volcano for the 4th time. Talk to you later. We are approaching Meradalir soon. This is the terrain around. The road is pretty nice, as you see. Good weather today, no rain. It's possible also to use a motorbike, mountain motorbike. I saw people using motorbikes here. Well, some young boys, but of course you have to bring it somehow. Here it's not so close to Reykjanes. Some jeeps are driving here as well, as you see. So this is precisely the valley that lava may use to get to the ocean if it will spill. And around south, it will run through this valley. Okay, we are almost in Meradalir. See helicopters there. Last time I was hit by rain when I was biking back, so my bike is still in mud from last time. I need to take it to the car wash. Petrol station. We are almost there. Now we will go up the hill here in Meradalir to explore the lava where it's going to spill from the valley. Really nice. I enjoy it here to bike. It's electrical, as I told you. Here I can regulate the amount of electrical energy I'm using. It's fully charged battery when I left. Do you recognize this mountain? It's called Big Ram. We have been there on the top many times, if you remember my videos from last year. And now we are on the eastern edges of Meradalir. I wanted to show you if lava spills over from Meradalir, will spill over, is about to spill over next to this mountain, then the way to the ocean is pretty straightforward. You see, it will just run over Meradalir off-road that we are using to bike and drive cars here. You see, that's where I'm biking this road. This is another one biking up here. So we'll spill over here and just run through this pass here. We are kind of on the hill, but there are two ways around this hill, and it's just a plane to the ocean, very simple. So very likely our road will get flooded by lava, but luckily this is not asphalt road, and it's just off-road, you know, for gravel road. Well, there is no gravel, and just off-road, ground road. So we are very likely to lose it. So then we will have to find another way to get to the volcano, maybe just hiking. Alright, you see, quite many bikers use this road. So you see, there are two more. Those are hikers. So this road is under the threat. Lava is to deliver this off-road, Meradalir off-road is going to be destroyed by lava, very likely. Okay, we keep biking. My friends, this is where I'm hiding my bike, and there are more bikes here. You see, I don't know whose. And here is the shortest point from Meradalir off-road. We just bypassed this mountain. 15 minutes to Meradalir. Here is another 5-10 minutes, and from here you have through this canyon less than 2 kilometers to the volcano, which is really neat, really nice. So this is my bike. We say goodbye to the bike. We'll be back here and have a night lamp for the night, just in case, because it's getting dark now. It's soon 6 o'clock in the evening, and now days in Iceland start to be shorter, and we start biking, well, walking. We are done with biking, walking, but still some people go even further with the bike, which I am not so keen biking up this hill here. So I was just talking to bikers who were returning, and he told it's less than 2 kilometers from here. So just bypass the mountain, and we will get a really nice view of the volcano from the other side, from the back. Something we didn't film yet with a camera. We did with a drone, but now we will come from the back side, which is really nice. We will have a different perspective, because it's kind of boring to film volcano from the same side all the time, where all the crowd is all over and over again. I want you to have a different perspective, different corner of view, so that you could enjoy it. I'm doing all this for you, my friends, so that you could enjoy Icelandic nature, volcanoes, and travel with me together. You hike with me together. So there are more hikers coming down. I think those are the bikers who left their bikes there. But alright, so we come uphill and then we will get the view of the volcano.